We vow this day here in Baltimore, Maryland, at Israel Baptist Church to bring 6 million children back to Sunday school and also their parents. That's why we do not need a dime from the city of Baltimore. We don't need a dime from the state of Maryland or the state of California. God will bless this project. You're going to see something that you have never seen before. How churches come together, how parents come together, how grandparents come together, how families come together. There's less spousal abuse. There's less child sexual abuse. The church is the answer.